Good morning. Look,
you can call me Al. It's
That's
right
right
here.
here.
Can you see him?
and
He's trying to fly.
He is trying to fly. He wants his mommy coming over here. No. There's baby Al, Alpha. And then we have 3 more. I'm sure. Okay, you probably have seen on our webcam. If not, get on there in a little while and look. But we've got 3 more chicks. There are 2 eggs left. We don't know if they're going to hatch or not. We will just see when we see. But we don't notice any pips or zips or any cracks or anything.
But
in
some
the
of
eggs.
those that hatched last night, that one I hadn't noticed anything on.
No.
And it hatched second. So
Absolutely. So we don't know. We shall see when and if they hatch. But
the one that hatched early yesterday afternoon can probably go over into the
big boy room,
the playroom here in a little while. The other 2 probably. The other one hatched what, Miss Mullins? 8 o'clock-ish, 8:30 last night.
Yeah, we had one that hatched between 5:30 and 6, the gray one, and then the second one,
this one I think
hatched 8:39, and then the other one sometime in the night.
We were sleeping.
But anyway, we noticed some of you watched the Zoom last night.
Yeah,
joined
it was fun to see who was watching.
Absolutely. Maybe we'll talk. If we keep the camera, depending on what happens with these eggs and what we do with the playroom over there, we'll see what we'll do with cameras. But we'll try to get it situated where you can hop on and show your families and talk about our baby chicks. And we've got 3 more names. We're going to have to name them, and they all look just a little different until Miss Taylor. I think we can actually distinguish them from the others. When we had the others, they were all the same.
Yeah, they were the same breed. Because we had a few blue ones, but I don't think any of them hatched the year that we.
Yeah, I don't think so. But that one has got some white on his breast. I can't tell if the other dark one has white on his.
I don't know. We'll have to examine them closely later on.
We'll get them out later and bring them around and show you all. And
one thing super important with handling baby chicks is A, to be gentle, and then B, hand washing.
I'm going to wash my hands.
Because I just washed mine a second ago. They can carry disease or germs. So hand washing is super important with your baby chicks, okay? Today in reading class, we're going to do kind of the week 2 of the chicken life cycle or the chicken growth and development. So we'll read about that and complete those activities. Math, we have another kind of escape room. Hopefully it won't be as contrary as the one that we had yesterday. And then there's a problem to solve. When you solve that problem, if you're at home, please show us like your solutions that didn't work too. You know, you may try several things before you get to the right answer. So take pictures and include your solutions that didn't work as well as the one that does work.
Right. We'll keep on researching, getting some more information about our chicks. I talked to my husband last night and learned a few things more about the chicks and chickens to help me understand what's going on. One thing I want us to research is maybe figuring out the breed. We're going to email Miss Carrie in a little while and ask her if she knows what breed they got these eggs from, or what. But if not, we can certainly look up the color. We can use the color of the egg, what the chicks look like, to help us maybe narrow down what breed it was. So
we also started a little science experiment yesterday, and if you're at home, it's a super simple thing to do. You just need a glass, an egg, and some vinegar. So we put our egg in the vinegar, and we're going to let it sit there for about 3 days, and then we're going to observe what happens. And then there's actually a part 2 to this experiment as well. But if you want to participate in the experiment at home, just get a glass and some vinegar and just an egg from the refrigerator. Okay? It's interesting how much it's changed already, Miss Mullen.
Oh, it is.
You have to predict what happens to the shell. Some of our kids thought the shell would dissolve.
I'm noticing all the water, the air.
The bubbles. Some of the kids thought the shell would dissolve. Some of the kids thought the egg would get really hard. Some of the kids thought the egg would get rubbery. We'll have to wait and see.
That's right.
Have a great Tuesday.
Have a great Tuesday. Baby.